What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to get the astrology fun information using the ChatGPT. How's that possible? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, is there any of you that who are the fan of the astrology? And if yes, you can also share us what's your zodiac in the comment section, guys. And if you would like to get the fan astrology information, and actually the ChatGPT can help you or provide you the information too. So the first step you can do, you can start to do the login first into this ChatGPT, and this will be the home page of this ChatGPT itself. And after that, I will open this sidebar, and here I will go to the explore of this GPT. So we will start to use the another GPT over here, and the section that contain this astrology is the lifestyle. You can go to this lifestyle, and after that you will find this GI astrologer, free AI astrology and prediction. This will be the GPT of the astrological that will help us, and let's have fun with it. So you will see that this GI astrologer has the rating like this, and also it has already more than 600k conversation. And you can also start to have the conversation by using these starters. For example, tell me everything about my past, let's say even since my birth. And if you would like to ask about your marriage, about when will I get married, so you can use this one too. Or you can also, if you need the advice about the current job, can I leave my current job to start my own business, you can use this too, or use this one to get the love analysis. Or if you would like to start it from your another and also the different personal question, you can click this start chat. So you can start to ask something over here. Hi, can you give me the prediction, let's say, for the Gemini in this November? I want to know specifically, let's say, about, let's say, about your work or business, or maybe the love life. Love life. For example, I'm taken now. And you can click enter and kindly wait for the next result by this GI astrologer. So as you can see here before that this GI astrologer give you the explanation or information, you can simply use it's kind of the introduction that this GI has also the Instagram channel or Instagram account, and you can also visit the GI astrologer using the Play Store app, the application that you can find in the Play Store, or you can visit this website. And after that, you can scroll down and you can find the love life prediction of the Gemini in November 2025. And this will be the result. Isn't that fun, right? So you can start to, let's say, having fun or make this GI astrologer as your life companion. And if you would like to continue about to ask something more about, let's say, your astrology or maybe your love life or your business, you can also keep having conversation with this GI astrologer. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.